Goodness gracious, it is an absolute mess right now. We are on I-94 eastbound heading back towards the city. Check this out. The snow is starting to build on some of these roadways right here, making it very difficult to tell which lane you are actually in. You can also see some of those intense winds moving the snow across those lanes of traffic to sub-zero.
If there's a blizzard in the way, the best thing to do is stay home and stay safe.
What's up, guys? We're going back to a new video. Today we at the gym with it. It is currently a blizzard outside. I'll see you guys when I'm out the gym. You know, we still showed up at the gym. As you see, ain't really many people out here right now. It's pretty much empty. But yeah, man, this goes to show that, like, if you really want something, you really go for it. So that's why I'm making this video right now, because I wasn't even gonna make a YouTube video. I wasn't even gonna record, but you know, I was like, if I really want to make it like to like at least 1,000 by next year on YouTube. I said that last year that I was gonna make it this year, but it didn't happen because I wasn't consistent of uploading videos. But today we're going to start that. So let's get it. Can't believe it, man. I gotta make this one shot, man. Use one hand. Let's go. Okay. Damn it, bro. Almost made it. It's in there. Yeah, guys. So my boy Brian is in Mexico right now, and we'd go in this room. Well, we just started going to the gym together. Like, this is why I moved here from Planet Fitness, because he was like, hey bro, you should come to the gym with me, right? Like, hell yeah, bro. And you know what I'm saying, he had a membership, so I was able to come in here for free. We just play soccer in here, you know what I'm saying? He got me into soccer low-key, because I ain't really was into soccer like that. I don't really play soccer like that, but he got me into soccer, you know what I'm saying? Like, we'd be in here playing soccer, you know what I'm saying? And for him, bro, that's why I moved here, because I ain't gonna lie, bro, this gym low-key a little better than, not even a little, like, better than Planet Fitness, bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie, they got more stuff in here. But still, a gym is a gym, so, you know what I'm saying? At least you get to work out. But other than that, bro, I'm saying, I miss you, Brian, bro. Hope you're doing well in Mexico, bro. So I'm gonna give a little shout out to my boy Brian, bro. I'm about to go see what equipment we can hit. So let's go. was just trying to fix my form on the deadlift. Let me know if I need to work on something, because I know I do. Anyways, I'm about going for a little boxing workout right now. So let's go. I got this bitch to myself. It's been a couple of days since, you know what I'm saying, I've been able to hit the bag on here, because, you know what I'm saying, like, they be bringing people in here and they be having like little like classes and stuff like that. And you know what I'm saying, you can't work out, basically can't box in here because the classes are going on. So which I think is kind of dumb. But yes, sir, finally got this shit to myself. But I hit a couple rounds in the bag. Let's get it, y'all. One thing I like about this gym is that boxing bags and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just basically like a vibe, bro. Cause it's like, I'm here, you know what I'm saying? I like it when it's like this, alone and dark. Cause I like to box, like, you know what I'm saying, by my own, man. Cause it just gives me that vibe, you know what I'm saying? Like, in life, bro, there's times where you're gonna be alone, and there's times where you're just gonna be on your own, man. And it's the truth, bro. I'm saying, not everyone gonna be by your side, you know what I'm saying? So it gives me that vibe to work and train harder, man, every single day. That's where goals come to, man. You know what I'm saying? It's not like someone's not gonna fucking walk up to you and be like, oh, here you go. Here's $100,000. You know what I'm saying? No one's gonna walk up to you like that. You gotta do that shit on your own. You know what I'm saying? Let's go get that shit, man. I'm out. So I was looking outside right now. It's really bad right now. It's the blizzard I was talking about. Y'all, I'm back in the house, man. Feels good to be back home. You know what I'm saying? Thank God that I got home safe, you know what I'm saying? I just gotta thank the Lord for everything, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? God is what strengthens you. Some people don't know that. Some people do. One thing that I know is that God strengthens you, and He really does. If you put your mind into it, try to get closer to Him, He will talk to you. He will. Anyways, guys, I just want to give a little message out, and for the people who are watching this, and for the young guys that are watching this, I just want to say, to chase your dreams, no matter what the cost, no matter what is in your way. I still went to the gym in a fucking blizzard, bro. Fucking blizzard of fucking Illinois, man. It's fucking crazy. And no matter what, bro. You know what I'm saying? If you really, as a man, bro, if you really want something, bro, you go and get that, bro. Don't let nobody and nothing stop you from getting what you want, bro. That's what makes you a man, bro. Don't ever quit on what you want, bro. And this is facts, man. In life, bro, there's going to be hard times. There's going to be dark times. There's going to be demons. There's going to be things that's going to hit you fucking hard. It's going to hit you hard till you fucking hit the ground. But you know what? If you hit the ground and you fall down, get right back up. No matter what. And that's what makes you a man, bro. And you know what I'm saying? You gotta keep fucking strong in there, bro. Keep fucking strong in there, bro. Don't not quit, bro. Don't let yourself down, bro. Don't let them little thoughts get you no matter what, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm saying? Not everything goes your fucking way, bro. Not everything's gonna go your way. You gotta go and get it. You gotta go and get it. There's gonna be times you're gonna fail. There's gonna be times you're gonna take some L's. But guess what? You're gonna get right back up and you're gonna work harder than ever. And when you work harder than ever, your time and your hard work pays off. And once you get back, you'll get them W's, bro. And I'm speaking facts right here, bro. So I hope you guys are listening to me right now. Listen. Because this is some real stuff that some people in this world need to listen to, and especially men. No matter what's trying to hit you, no matter what's trying to get you down, no matter what, you keep on moving. You keep on moving forward no matter what. Do not stop. That's how you make your fucking dreams come true. That's how you make your dreams come true. You gotta be a man on the mission, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, y'all, thanks for watching, man. I got more videos coming soon for y'all. More gym videos coming soon for more. Subscribe and like, and also comment if you're new here. Subscribe. Saying that will help me a lot to get me to my goal for this next year. So I'm really trying to make it this year. And I'll see y'all. Stay smooth. God bless. See y'all guys.